What do we really know about women? This is a question that has echoed through history, often met with silence, dismissal, or worse, with answers rooted in stereotypes and misconceptions. For centuries, the narrative has been controlled, often overshadowing the true essence of women's experiences. This essay seeks to journey beyond the surface, to delve into the intricate tapestry of the female experience. We will explore the multifaceted lives of women, their dreams, their struggles, and their triumphs. We aim to challenge assumptions and spark a conversation about the realities of women's lives. By doing so, we hope to foster a deeper understanding and appreciation of their unique journeys. Our exploration will take us through the societal pressures women face, the expectations placed upon them, and the often invisible labor they perform daily, the internal struggles they navigate, the battles fought within their minds, and the emotional resilience they build over time, and the extraordinary resilience they embody. Women have shown time and again that they can overcome obstacles and achieve greatness in various fields. We will celebrate the unique strengths and contributions of women, highlighting their roles as leaders, innovators, and changemakers, recognizing their indelible impact on the world. From science to art, from politics to social movements, women's influence is profound and far-reaching. And finally, we will examine the ongoing fight for equality, a struggle that continues to this day. This fight is not just for women, but for a more just and equitable society for all. A fight that requires not just the voices of women, but the active participation of all. It is a collective effort that demands solidarity and mutual respect. This is not about painting a picture of victimhood, but rather one of strength, complexity, and unwavering determination. Women are not just survivors, they are thrivers, but rather one of strength, complexity, and unwavering determination. It's about recognizing the woman who navigates a world rife with double standards. It's about recognizing the woman who navigates a world rife with double standards, who juggles multiple roles with grace, and who rises above challenges with remarkable resilience. Who juggles multiple roles with grace, balancing work, family, and personal aspirations, and who rises above challenges with remarkable resilience. Their stories are a testament to the human spirit's capacity to endure and thrive. This is an invitation to understand, to empathize, and to join hands in building a world where every woman is seen, heard, and valued for the incredible individual she is. Together, we can create a future where equality is not just an aspiration, but a reality. From a young age, women are often placed within a framework of expectations that define how they should look, behave, and even feel. These expectations are ingrained in them through various societal channels, including media, family, and educational systems. The pressure to conform to these societal norms can be immense, creating a constant tension between who they are expected to be and who they truly are. This internal conflict often leads to a sense of inadequacy and self-doubt. One of the most pervasive double standards is the disparity in expectations between men and women in the workforce. Men are often seen as natural leaders, while women have to prove their competence repeatedly. Women are often expected to be both career-driven and primary caregivers, a balancing act that can be both exhausting and limiting. This dual expectation places an unfair burden on women, making it difficult for them to excel in either role fully. While men are lauded for ambition and assertiveness, these qualities are often perceived negatively in women, creating a double bind that hinders their professional growth. Women are frequently labeled as bossy or aggressive for displaying the same traits that are celebrated in men. The pressure to conform to unrealistic beauty standards is another significant burden women carry. These standards are perpetuated by the fashion and beauty industries, which often promote an ideal that is unattainable for most. From a young age, they are bombarded with images that promote a narrow and often unattainable definition of beauty. This relentless exposure can shape their self-image and self-worth in damaging ways. This can lead to body image issues, low self-esteem, and even eating disorders. The mental and emotional toll of striving to meet these standards can be overwhelming. Furthermore, women are often judged more harshly for their personal choices, whether it's their decision to have children, their choice of partner, or even their clothing. These judgments can come from family, friends, and even strangers. This constant scrutiny creates a climate of fear and judgment, limiting women's freedom to live authentically. It forces them to navigate a world where their every move is watched and critiqued, making it challenging to find and embrace their true selves. Despite the multitude of challenges women face, from societal expectations to personal struggles, they also possess an extraordinary capacity for resilience, a strength that is both inspiring and humbling. This strength is not born out of choice, but forged in the crucible of navigating a world that often feels designed to hold them back, testing their limits at every turn. Consider the woman who, after facing discrimination in the workplace, rises above the prejudice to achieve her professional goals, proving her worth and capabilities. Or the single mother who works tirelessly to provide for her children, her love and determination fueling her every step of the way, balancing work and family with grace. This resilience is evident in the countless stories of women who have overcome adversity, broken down barriers, and emerged stronger from their experiences, each story a testament to their unyielding spirit. It is in the quiet strength of a woman who speaks her truth in the face of opposition, standing firm in her beliefs, and in the unwavering spirit of a woman who refuses to be defined by the limitations placed upon her, constantly pushing boundaries. This inherent strength is not about denying the very real challenges women face, but about recognizing their ability to adapt, to persevere, and to emerge from hardship with a spirit unbroken, a spirit that continues to shine brightly. It is a testament to the indomitable spirit of womanhood, a spirit that refuses to be extinguished, a beacon of hope and resilience for all. The contributions of women to society are as diverse and multifaceted as the women themselves. From groundbreaking scientific discoveries to artistic masterpieces that move the soul, from acts of quiet compassion that touch individual lives, to movements for social change that reshape entire societies, women have left an undeniable mark on the world. Consider the countless women who have shattered glass ceilings in male-dominated fields, paving the way for future generations. Think of the scientists, doctors, educators, artists, activists, and entrepreneurs who are making significant contributions in their respective domains, enriching our world with their talent, creativity, and vision. Beyond their professional achievements, women are often the unsung heroes in their families and communities. They are the nurturers, the caregivers, the emotional anchors who provide love, support, and stability. They are the keepers of traditions, the weavers of social fabric, and the champions of compassion. Section 5. The Unfinished Symphony, the ongoing movement for equality. While we have come a long way in the fight for gender equality, the journey is far from over. The statistics paint a stark picture of the disparities that still exist. From the gender pay gap to the underrepresentation of women in leadership positions, from the prevalence of violence against women to the persistent societal norms that limit their opportunities, there is much work to be done. The movement for gender equality is not about achieving superiority over men, but about creating a world where everyone, regardless of gender, has the opportunity to reach their full potential. It's about dismantling the systemic barriers that prevent women from participating fully in society and creating a world where their voices are heard, their contributions are valued, and their rights are respected. This is a fight that requires the collective effort of both women and men. It demands a shift in perspectives, a willingness to challenge deeply ingrained biases, and a commitment to creating a more just and equitable world for all. Section 6. Breaking the Chains, Dismantling Stereotypes, One Story at a Time. One of the most powerful tools we have in the fight for gender equality is the power of storytelling. When we share our stories, we break down stereotypes, challenge assumptions, and build bridges of understanding. Each story of a woman overcoming adversity, defying expectations, or simply living her truth is a step towards dismantling the harmful narratives that limit women's potential. These stories can be shared in countless ways, through books, films, music, art, and even everyday conversations. They have the power to inspire, to empower, and to create a ripple effect of change. Section 7. A Tapestry of Experiences. Embracing the Diversity of Womanhood. It is crucial to recognize that there is no single monolithic female experience. The lives of women are as diverse and varied as the individuals themselves, shaped by a multitude of factors such as race, ethnicity, sexual orientation, socioeconomic status, religion, culture, and personal experiences. To truly understand the female experience, we must embrace this diversity in its entirety. We must listen to the voices of women from all walks of life, acknowledge their unique challenges and triumphs, and celebrate the richness and complexity of their individual journeys. Section 8. The Power of Empathy, Building Bridges of Understanding. At its core, the journey towards gender equality is a journey of empathy. It requires us to step outside of our own experiences and perspectives and to truly listen to and understand the experiences of others. Empathy allows us to connect with the woman who is struggling to balance her career and family, to understand the fear and frustration of a woman who has experienced harassment, and to celebrate the triumphs of women who are breaking down barriers. By cultivating empathy, we open ourselves up to the possibility of genuine connection and understanding. We move beyond judgment and stereotypes and towards a place of compassion and respect. Section 9. A Call to Action Towards a World of Authentic Equality. The pursuit of gender equality is not a spectator sport. It is a call to action that requires each of us to examine our own biases, to challenge discriminatory practices, and to use our voices and platforms to advocate for change. Start by educating yourself about the issues. Listen to the stories of women. Support organizations that empower women and girls. Challenge sexist language and behavior. Be an ally. The journey towards a more just and equitable world begins with each of us. By working together, we can create a world where every woman has the opportunity to thrive, to reach her full potential, and to live a life of dignity, respect, and equality.